Ayaneo has released the world's first modular handheld, the Ayaneo 3. With amazing performance and customizable features, it's a bold step forward for handheld gaming. But can it compete against the popular ROG Ally X, a fan favorite known for its power and reliability? In today's video, we put the Ayaneo 3 head-to-head with the ROG Ally X to see which one delivers the best gaming experience. Let's find out. The Ayaneo 3 represents a revolutionary approach to handheld design with its modular architecture. The device features swappable controller components, which allow users to customize button layouts and joystick orientations. At 680 grams, it maintains a relatively lightweight profile despite its sophisticated modular system. The chassis incorporates RGB illuminated Hall effect joysticks and features a sleek modern aesthetic with rounded edges for enhanced comfort during extended gaming sessions. On the other hand, the Ally X adopts a more traditional handheld design, weighing 678 grams. It features a refined black color scheme and improved ergonomics compared to its predecessor. The device includes dual USB Type-C ports, upgraded speakers, and a fingerprint sensor integrated into the power button. The build quality emphasizes durability with Gorilla Glass Victus protection for the display and premium materials throughout the construction. The Ayaneo 3 offers two distinct display options. The flagship OLED variant has a 7-inch 1920 by 1080 pixel panel with a 144Hz refresh rate and an impressive 800 nits of brightness. This display covers 110% of the DCI P3 color gamut, delivering vibrant visuals with deep blacks. Alternatively, the IPS option provides variable refresh rate support at 120 Hz, with reduced color coverage at 100% sRGB. The ROG Ally X features a 7-inch IPS level display with 1920 by 1080 pixel resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate. The screen offers FreeSync Premium support, 500 nits of brightness, and 100% sRGB color coverage. The display includes 10-point multi-touch capability and maintains a 7-millisecond response time, ensuring responsive touch inputs during gameplay. The Ayaneo 3 comes with either an AMD Ryzen 7 8840U processor or the high-end Ryzen 9 HX370 variant. Memory configurations start at 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, expandable up to 64GB. Storage options begin at 512GB, utilizing full-length M.2 SSD for easy upgrades. The device incorporates dual USB 4 ports supporting 65-watt power delivery charging, alongside the specialized Oculink port for external graphics card connectivity. The Ally X is powered by the AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads with up to 5.10 GHz boost clock speeds. The system includes 24GB of dual-channel LPDDR5 memory and a 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD. Connectivity options include USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C with DisplayPort support, USB 4 with Thunderbolt 4 compliance, and a UHS 2 microSD card reader supporting various card formats. The Ayaneo 3's standout feature is its Magic Module system. The base package includes modules for adjusting joystick and button orientations, while an additional kit provides 6 specialized modules including analog sticks and a 6-button micro-switch pad for fighting games. The device runs on Windows 11, offering compatibility with multiple gaming platforms and storefronts. The modular design extends to maintenance, allowing easy replacement of worn components without requiring complete device servicing. The ROG Ally X emphasizes software integration through its Armoury Crate interface, providing quick access to games and system settings. The device features AI noise-cancelling technology, Dolby Atmos support, and Smart Amp technology for enhanced audio performance. Security features include a Microsoft Pluton security processor and fingerprint authentication. The system offers multiple operating modes for performance optimization, including silent, performance, and turbo modes. Control options include Hall effect analog triggers, assignable grip buttons, and a 6-axis IMU for motion controls, all customizable through the Armoury Crate software. The Ayaneo 3's performance varies significantly between its processor options. The base model with the Ryzen 7 delivers solid gaming performance for indie titles and older AAA games, while the premium Ryzen 9 HX 370 variant pushes capabilities further for modern titles. The device's thermal management system utilizes multiple heat pipes for sustained performance, though the compact design necessitates some thermal compromises. The modular nature of the controls ensures consistent input response, with Hall effect sensors providing precise analog movement without dead zone issues. In contrast, the Ally X demonstrates impressive gaming capabilities through its AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor, featuring RDNA 3 graphics architecture capable of up to 8.6 teraflops of computing power. The system's thermal design power ranges from 9 to 30 watts, allowing for dynamic performance adjustment based on workload demands. Real-world gaming tests show the device handling modern titles at playable frame rates, though demanding games require graphics settings adjustments for optimal performance. The combination of 24 GB of memory and PCIe 4.0 storage ensures quick load times and smooth multitasking capability, while FreeSync Premium support helps maintain tier-free gaming experiences across various performance levels. The Ayaneo 3 uses a 49 watt-hour battery, which could be a potential limitation for extended gaming sessions. Battery life typically ranges between 2 to 4 hours, depending on game intensity and chosen display option, with the OLED variant consuming more power. The device supports 65-watt power delivery, charging through either of its USB 4 ports for quick recharging between gaming sessions. The ROG Ally X boasts a significantly larger 80 watt-hour, 4-cell lithium-ion battery, which provides between 3 to 5 hours of gaming time. The device includes a 65-watt AC adapter and supports power delivery 3.0 through its USB Type-C ports, ensuring consistent power delivery during extended gaming sessions. The Ayaneo 3 starts at $900 for the base configuration with the Ryzen 7 processor, 16 GB of RAM, and 512 GB of storage. Higher-end models with the Ryzen 9 HX 370 processor begin at a whopping $1,500, with additional costs for modular add-ons. The ROG Ally X is positioned more competitively at $799, offering 24 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage in its single configuration option. The Ayaneo 3 and ROG Ally X represent two different approaches to handheld gaming. The Ayaneo 3's innovative modular design and premium hardware options offer excellent customization, although with a hefty price tag. Meanwhile, the ROG Ally X delivers a more traditional but refined experience with excellent value, superior battery life, and robust performance. Your choice ultimately depends on your priorities. If you're passionate about customization and willing to invest in the latest modular system, the Ayaneo 3 is your go-to option. However, for most gamers seeking a reliable, powerful handheld with great features at a competitive price, the ROG Ally X emerges as the more practical choice. That's all for today. Which one do you think is worth buying now? Share your opinion in the comments. Thanks for watching.